Hi, my name is Janice. Welcome to my channel, Janice Home channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a Shopify online store and how to create products in Shopify. Okay, first of all, let me show you a Shopify website. This is the Shopify website for the accounts. I need to create an account, but before that, let me just tell you how do I go to here. So I just type Shopify and then just click here shopify.com. You can start off with a free trial account. Okay, and then you can just skip or you can answer all the questions. You can just skip. Oh, yeah, and then skip. So just know and all that. And then what would you like to name your store? So I will name it Spots. Okay. And then next. So they'll ask you for one last step before. So you will continue with email or yeah. So you continue with email and then you need to create a Shopify account. Okay. So you need to enter your Shopify account. Okay, you create a Shopify account. So I already have a Shopify ID. I log in. Okay. So I'm actually now in Shopify. We are building the store. Okay, are you already selling? You can skip, to skip all these things. If you want, you can answer all these questions. If you are really starting your own store, you can put all your shipping address, your business address, and all those things. Okay, so for me, I'll just demo purpose, I just enter this. Okay, Singapore. And so my address is just a testing address. So you can actually put your real address if you really want to set up your own Shopify store. For this purpose, I just showing you how to do the setup of store. Okay, so now I'm actually in Shopify. This is the admin page of Shopify. Okay, so let me show you the setup. First of all, we need to go under here, the online store. And we are using this theme called Dawn theme, the default theme over here. Okay, you can actually choose any of this theme to set up. Okay, so yeah, and for products wise, you just come here and then you can straight away create your first product. Okay, first product. Maybe I go to eBay to get my product. Okay, since over here there are shoes, right? So just take this shoe maybe. Okay, I'll just put the title and the description. Since there is no much description, but maybe we go somewhere to get some description. Okay, so okay, I'll just put this description. Okay, Jordan 2 OG. And then I'm going to add the file, this image. So just copy this image link, then add from URL and paste it. Right. Or you can actually insert from download the photo and then insert it. So basically you right click your mouse and save the image. This feature is only available in Firefox. Right click your mouse and then save the image as it's faster. So you can actually like this save it, okay, to whichever folder, okay, download folder, and then just add it from your download folder. Right. Okay, then it will be uploaded. Since this is the same image, right? I just did this. Okay, so that's how I upload my photo. And then I'm going to set the price. This one price over here, but down here is actually 201. I can, let's say my cost price is, I mean, maybe I'll sell $200. I think my cost price is $100, example. And it's up to you whether you want to charge tax. If you have tax in your company, then you put your tax. So, right. Okay, compare price is actually 500. Cost price $100. Okay. Then we can put the quantity. Let's say we have 10 piece. Current selling out when out of stock. Right. And then the SEO, you can actually edit the SEO over here. Okay, for your product. Then you save. Okay, you save. Save. And you can preview your product. There you go, my product step. So yeah, the product is out. So that's how to create a product in Shopify. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up. Okay? Yeah, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.